Welcome to Crypto Nights. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to give you a quick update on the Bitcoin price. Before I start, I would like to say that if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, the link will be in the description of this video, and also it will be in the pinned comment of this video. So you should join my Telegram channel because that is where I'll be posting updates in real time. If I can't make a video, I will just simply post my updates in my Telegram channel. So you should join right now. Link will be in the description of this video. Now let's jump right in. Right now, this is the Bitcoin price chart, and I am on the 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin just got rejected from this resistance right here at the $35,000 level, and we are making new lows on this price chart. Now, for you to see this clearly, we would have to go over to the line chart. Now, as you can see, this shows that we are making new lows on the 4-hour time frame. This is a low, this is a lower low, and this is another confirmed low. Now this is bad. This shows that we are still in a downtrend and the price could go lower from this region. Now I am going to show you exactly where I think the price is going to head in the nearest future. Now let's go over to the daily time frame and bring out the oscillators. Now this is the daily time frame oscillators. As you can see here, we just had another cross to the downside. Now what this means is that the oscillator would have to go all the way to the oversold region. That's at the zero read. When this happens, Bitcoin is going to either go sideways or further downwards. Right now, if you want to be bullish, I would suggest that you wait a little while until this oscillators has gone down to this oversold region, because when it gets down to the oversold region, then it could further have a cross to the upside in the overbought region. For right now, as you can see, the price has to go further downwards from here. Understand? So you have to trade with caution in this market condition. Now let me bring out my drawing tools. As you can see, we are below all support in the price chart. We've broken every single thing, and we just closed a daily candle again below the $32,500 region. Right now, we are looking to go and test the support at around 26,500. Now, if we go and test this support, we can either bounce from this region or break through the support. But if you align what I just showed you in the oscillators and what you are looking right now in the price chart at this region at around 26,500, the oscillators could be oversold at that region, and from that region we could have a solid bounce, or we could just further go downwards. There is still a possibility of the oscillators staying oversold. So I am going to watch this price action very closely, and from there I would have to organize my next trade setup. Now if you want to know my next trade setup, you can join my VIP. That is where I post my trade setup in absolute real time. And if you want to join, there will be a link in the description of this video to my channel. And once you are in my Telegram channel, you will get more information on how you can join my VIP. Now this is going to be it for this video. If you truly enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and try to subscribe. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate it if you do. Now this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.